Hello, welcome back to part 4 of the Westie. It's been actually a couple of weeks since it's been sitting here, that's why all the crap's on it. Yeah, so right, well, it's getting late, but my plan is to, I don't know if you can see, but there's a crack in here, there's cracking around here. So I'm going to grind this out first, that's the plan for tonight. Grind that out so I can weld that back up. Grind all this off so I can put in some gussets. Well, I'll see what sort of finish we'll do them in a second. And that's going to go somewhere like that. Weld it along there. Obviously a bit squared up. Just to give it a little bit more support. Stop it folding back, so like I say, he's cracking around here. So, yeah, right, let's get on with it. Right, did you see the balls of what I did? I tacked it, and lovely, jubbly, and I thought, oh no, I'll put some more weld on it, you know, and I was welding, there's something not right here, and that was coming out like bird shit, and why is it like this? I can't figure this out, and it just looked really rough. And as I went to sort of stop to turn it off, I looked round and realised I'd turned the bloody the bottle off, the gas off. I didn't even know I'd done it, but I just watched it back, and obviously what I'd done is I'd done the tacks, thinking that's that's all I'm going to do, and there, just tack it up. And I must have turned it off without even thinking, and obviously I heard it as I started to weld, and then it just seemed to go pear-shaped, you know, and I thought, that's weird. And then so I turned the gas back on, and as soon as so what I'm going to do is grind it down, because it looks a bloody mess, I tell you, it really does. I just couldn't make it out, it just smelled like bird shit, and I thought, why is that then? But because what I'd done, I see it as soon as I played it back, you know, I know it's on the time lapse, but you see I do a couple of tacks and I turn around and I quickly turn the bottle off. Ah, what a plonker. So I'll grind that off later, not tomorrow, because I think it's getting late tonight. Yeah, got quite a bit to do on this. Most of it will be time. If I turn the camera on, sometimes the screen works and I can get the time lapse to work. As long as I don't turn it, as soon as I turn the screen, touch the screen, I won't lose the screen. So like now, I've lost the screen. So yeah, yeah, I don't know what that actually come out like. Oh, there's a big flash up there just now. I don't know if that's by me. Well, where are my plugs? What's that plug go to? The light. Interesting. Might have just been some moth flying around, it might have been that, but there's something, I'm sure something just flashed. Who knows? You might hear some banging about it, it's working out there still. Grinding and stuff on the extension. So, yeah, at least we've started now. Oh, I'm really pissed off with myself. What a stupid thing to do. Turn the gas off. I don't even remember doing it. I just like so I watched it back pretty quickly. You can just see I've got about 2 tacks on, turn around and I turn it off, because when I go back I hear the air, but it's just emptying out. So anyway, let's crack on. Right, I've just tried grinding a bit of that off. It's come down. It's late now, so like I say, I'm going to pack him for the night. It's getting on. It's late, but it's still in the like high 20s temperature. I sweat. So I think it'll look right in the end. It just really pissed me off. I've done such a stupid thing. Why did I turn the gas off? I don't know. I was going to do the other side anyway, so wouldn't I? I don't know. These things happen, don't they? So got to go and have my jab tomorrow, my second one, and see how I feel when I get back from there, and we'll carry on. Right, hopefully so. I'm going to show you my balls up I did. Like I say, I don't know why I went here. It was just so hot, I think that's what the problem was. And then like I say, I turned the gas off. Why I turned the gas off, I have no idea. So I'm not going to try to cut all this out because it's just not worth the aggro. I know it looks shit, but it probably looks 1,000 times worse on the camera. So what I'm just going to do, carry on welding down here, fill the gaps up if I can, run a grinder over. Nobody can take notice of it once it's done. Yeah, I know, it's embarrassing. I don't know if you can see it or not, hopefully, yeah, I think you can see it. But yeah, I ballsed up, so I did really balls up. Right, I'll take this opportunity while the rain's not too heavy to say something. Right, I've welded it and give it a little bit of a grind down, as you see. It's not right, it'll never be right I don't think. I should have just cut it off and started again, but that's a lot of work and effort what it is, and nobody really is going to see it. I will say it does look a lot worse on camera. I don't know if it's the way the light bounces off it or what it does. It looks like it really stands out on the camera, but it's not so bad when you actually look at it. I'd say it's bad, it's bloody terrible, you know what I mean. So I've got to dress it back, but we've got this rain for the next sort of 2 days, I reckon. So I'm going to just get on and do it off camera. I will show you, don't worry, I'll show you in the next part. And then I'm going to do the other side, get that welded up. Had a job to see it just when I was doing that as well. When I was trying, I don't know if it's because it's not getting the heat, because I'm only trying to tack in the weld, you know, in between or get in between. I don't know if it was that, but I had a job to see it. I kept fiddling with my mask trying to sort that out. That seems okay, because when I did along the bottom and I could get me little pull going and everything else, it was lovely, you know. And that's come out really, really well. But like, so I started grinding it back. It's going to take a lot of dressing up because it's quite, the weld's quite thick there, you know. But it's never easy to weld on top of the weld, if you know what I mean, especially for somebody like me with no skills. So it's nowhere perfect, but it's a bloody mud mower, and you just got to bear that in mind. I know loads of people put stupid comments in about how shit it is and what it should have done. I don't care. Will I read them? So I've got to the other side. Hopefully that'll be a better result, but I'll show you both sides anyway, you know, when I've done it. And I've got to remember what I've got to do for the rest of the chassis wires upside down. It's been, I think it's been sitting up like this upside down for about 4 weeks. It was ridiculous, but it's just the way things have gone.
welded that couple, 4 days ago. That first bit of welding I did on this, I paused up. I turned the gas off. Yeah, about 4 days ago, and then I had an injection. I didn't do anything that day because I thought, you know, better not, because after the last time, after the first one, and then I've had other things happening, you know. So, like I say, it took nearly a week to get back down here and just get that done. So, crack on it over the weekend. I'm not going to worry about filming it until I've got that other corner in, and then we'll carry on. But that'll be like the next video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, let me know. If you don't, then you don't. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do that, you know, if you want. And ring the bell, you know, the usual stuff. But the most important thing to remember, it's okay not to be okay. And I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye for now.